Let's go.
So now he's eating beans.
Yeah.
He's like, okay, I'm tired of the. I he ate most of it.
Kind of fast.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a fat bird.
Oh my god, he eats so much.
Yeah.
This is the third time today that he's gone to the
Oh,
basket to eat.
Doesn't even have to look for his food. It's just coming. So.
He's like, ah, this is the life. Did you know that it's how to be in a cage? And so he never got a parrot because of that.
Oh,
He's always
cool.
dreamt of having, I wish one day, I could have a pet parrot, but not in a cage, a pet parrot that would come and go as
It's
he or
cool.
she pleases.
And, you just
And it came true. Finally, after all those years.
Yeah, it's nice.
And so he's so happy. That's why he has a special bond with Crainer because of that.
What kind of injury he had?
I'm not sure where he got bitten, but
Okay.
when Craigie brought him in, he had him in his mouth. So it could be part of the
Oh,
wing.
that was the cat?
The cat, yeah, the cat.
Wow.
Yeah. Got him in the mouth and then took.
Very beginner, professional kind of, yeah.
Yeah, we've never owned one, so we don't know much about the differences. But that's cool.
It takes a little bit of learning, but you can take some really, really good pictures of that.
I like that.
It takes video too.
Cool. Don't forget to bring in the line of clothes, okay? Oh, now he's getting into it.
Yeah.
Probably because the top layer is all deshelled, so he's trying to dig through the pile now. He ate so much today. You're just pigging out today. My goodness. Did he take a bite of it?
He tried, yeah.
Man, you tried all kinds
Oh,
of
he's pooping.
Just pooing.
Sometimes he does that eating poop.
In his meal. Awesome.
Crainer had a whole photo shoot. He was posing and doing all kinds of gymnastics on this thing.
Is that
For them.
video or
Hold it.
both? Yeah, we have somebody else here.